Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Ideas. In this video, we will share beautiful plants that you can include in your home or garden. First one is bougainvillea. As bougainvillea generally produce flower for more than 8 to 10 months, and this type of plant are very hardy and generally they don't die with less water, so caring also get decreases as if water is given less. If you want more flowering from your bougainvillea plant, keep your plant in full sunlight for at least minimum of 4 hours. This will make your bougainvillea plant to produce maximum flower. Also, bougainvillea plant love pruning, so give them pruning after every 6 to 7 months. This will encourage new growth, and new growth means lots of branches, and lots of branches will produce maximum number of flowers. So this is a pro tip of getting maximum number of flower on any bougainvillea plant. Number second is hibiscus plant. As this plant lives with you lifelong, so you must always have this type of plant. They come in many varieties, so as a gardener we must always have 3 to 4 type of hibiscus flowering plant. They are rigid in nature, they always produce maximum number of flower in summer season, so include them in your garden and keep in east north side direction. This will make your plant to produce more blooms. Always keep an eye on your hibiscus plant as they generally get mealybug attack. Keep an eye on ants also as they try to carry from one plant to another. Remove all the infected branches by pruner or scissor and try to wash them clean as the eggs of mealybug can remain on your pruner, and next time if you use with another plant they will get stick to that. Wash your plant every day after this process. This will make your hibiscus plant healthy and your hibiscus will bloom again. If you want maximum number of flower on any hibiscus plant, try to give them right amount of fertilizer at right time. Hibiscus plant generally bloom only when they are kept in full sunlight and also away from different type of plants. So scatter only hibiscus plant near it and do not try to add any other type of plant. This will block the sunlight, and if the sunlight is blocked, your hibiscus plant will not produce flower. If you want, you can make bonsai of hibiscus plant also just by pruning and giving right amount of fertilizer. Cutting the long and extra branches of hibiscus plant will make it compact, and compact always look beautiful. Trimming of your hibiscus plant will make your hibiscus plant to grow more sub branches, and this will make your hibiscus plant look more compact. And in the growing season, every 20 to 30 days is recommendable for giving fertilizer to our hibiscus plant. So just do the tilling of your soil, and we can add vermicompost, cow dung compost or any type of organic compost. After fertilizer, we can add water so that composting process further goes and your plant can absorb the nutrients from the soil. Number 3, money plant. The plant which is very versatile, can grow in water, also in soil, and also without the soil for few days. You can grow money plant from single leaf cutting and it will grow in a big plant. Money plant come in different shape and sizes. You can grow small leaf money plant, big leaf money plant, all will grow very best in given right conditions. For proper condition, your money plant must be given 1 to 2 hours of morning sunlight only in winter days, and in summer season you can give bright location so that your money plant leaves don't get burned. Money plant love water in the soil, moisture in the environment, so try to give water in adequate amount and also give a money plant growing stick. This will make your money plant grow much more bigger and healthier. We can grow money plant cutting by growing in sand and then transplanting it in a big pot. At early stage, money plant cutting require more water, so give water daily and you can avoid after the cutting has started growing. Money plant also require fertilizer time to time, so try to give fertilizer in liquid form which can be absorbed easily by your money plant, as it is a leafy plant, so give liquid fertilizer. This will give you result better than a solid fertilizer. You can give vermicompost, cow dung compost in a liquid form. My favorite, number 4, snake plant. Here you can see so many of snake plant I have developed, and some of them got much more bigger in size. I'll share it why they got so big. But the right condition to give your snake plant is to keep in bright light location. The most versatile and immortal plant which can be grown in any type of condition, in full day of sunlight, in bright location, in low light condition, or we can also grow them in our bathrooms. They can grow in both condition, overwatering and underwatering. And if you want to know why our snake plant got this much big, the main reason for them is having a growing tip. Here you can see a growing tip, and my snake plant, this is continuously growing, and the height of this plant can be nearly 5 to 6 feet. We can also grow snake plant in water. Here you can see one of my snake plant is developing small bulbs and also with lots of roots. Here you can see no fungus problem as snake plant can be grown in water easily. As I said earlier, snake plant can grow in both conditions, in water and in soil. We can also get so many snake plant just by separating it from mother plant. Just take your pot, free your plant and just separate by twisting them. Use water so that your plant get easily freed up and can be separated very easy, just like this. Number 5 is adenium, and they are so beautiful plant that they can survive even the droughtest condition. Also they have so many different shape and sizes of the flower. Generally they are known for their flower and their drought tolerance condition. Also they are known as desert rose plant. It means they can bear much part of the sunlight and can grow easily in all conditions. The pot size can be very small and can be very big. The soil must be sandy soil, which is perfect for them to grow. We can have different shape and size and color of flower as adenium plant can be crafted easily. Here you can see the black color adenium which looks so beautiful and unique. Generally gardener include this plant for the beauty of its flower. They can be grown very easily, just we have to take care of their root stock and the bulb or the cortex which they grow and store water in it. We have to keep our adenium plant in full day of sunlight and give less water for their good health. If your adenium get pollinated, then you can see seed pod, and from that seed pod you can collect the seeds and grow your own adenium small seedlings. We can also do the grafting of our adenium plant. Here you can see I have done this grafting and I have successful in it, and also my plant is blooming and giving my seed pods. Number 6 is kalanchoe, and they generally flower from winter to spring. They are permanent plant and require lots of sunlight to grow. Kalanchoe plant generally store water in its leaves and stem and retain moisture for longer period of time. So giving less water will make your plant much more happier, and the flower will also stay for longer period of time. Kalanchoe plant come with different flower color. You can select all the plants and you can grow them in a single pot and it will look like just a bouquet. They generally don't require much care, only giving less water is best for your kalanchoe plant and fertilizing after every 30 to 40 days, and your kalanchoe plant will do best. Hybrid variety of kalanchoe grows small leaves and flower, but the desi or the normal variety grow very beautiful flower and long flower strings. Kalanchoe plant can be grown from cutting and also from leaves. Just try to grow them in sandy soil mix and your plant will do its work. Sunlight requirement for your kalanchoe plant is nearly 3 to 4 hours minimum and your plant are good to go. Number 7 is succulent, and succulent are most beautiful plant and can be kept in small size pot also. In cold type of climate they can be easily propagated from a single leaf, and from a single leaf you can get many more plants. You can have so many of different varieties in a single pot. Also you can grow them separately and keep them in a row. They come in different variety, shape, size and leaves. Also they come in vine shape also. You can also cluster your cactus plant with them as they also require very less water to grow as they hold water in their stem and in leaves. Sunlight requirement in cold type of temperature is nearly 1 to 2 hours of sunlight, and in summer season you can keep your plant in bright location. You can grow succulent in different shape and size of pot that add to the beauty. Here you can see so many succulents growing together and looking so beautiful. So next time if you buy succulents, try to get more than 3 to 4 and add them together. You can use a bonsai tray which looks so beautiful, and also you can add some toys category type of pots which make your garden so beautiful. Portulaca or the office time, very beautiful flower. Here you can see so many flower in a single pot. This is just because of adding so many flower color in a same pot. You can mix 3 to 4 type of variety in a single big pot. This will make your portulaca to grow many colors in a single pot, and this looks so beautiful in garden. They love sun very much, so keep them in full day of sunlight and give less water. This will make them bloom much more. Portulaca cutting can be grown very easily, so just plug a single cutting and you can make a bunch of flowers. They are hardy plant as well as they are permanent plants, so keep them in big pot, grow them in big pot, and they will last for longer period of time. Number 9 is lucky bamboo, and the name itself resolves that it will bring our luck and prosperity. We must all have a lucky bamboo at our home. This will bring a positive environment, and positive environment means having a good lifestyle. If you want to keep your lucky bamboo healthy and for longer period of time, keep your lucky bamboo in outdoor location where a small amount of wind flow. Generally, we prefer to keep it in our office, but you have to keep it in an open environment. This will make your lucky bamboo to grow bigger and healthier. See the roots of my lucky bamboo. They are growing and my lucky bamboo plant is also very healthy. And the location of my plant is outdoor under a shady environment where so many plants are there, and this is making my lucky bamboo so green and healthy. Number 10 is peace lily, and this plant is very important for our gardeners. Peace lily is a natural air purifying plant, so we must have 3 to 4 peace lily at our home or nearby surrounding. This will clean the dirty air and give us a purified form of air. They are hardy plant and require less water, but if you keep them in full sunlight, then your leaf will get burned. Spray some water on them and the plant will be very happy. They generally produce a single white color flower which looks so beautiful, elegant, and add to the beauty to our garden. So try to add these top 10 plants and you will feel that your garden is very good and healthy.